What's up guys, welcome to another tutorial video. In today's tutorial we're going to be that was a close one. Anyway, in today's video we're going to be showing you guys how to change your handle right here on your toilet. Let's get started. Now to do this, all you're going to need is a simple set of pliers, just like this. If you don't have those, just a regular set of pliers will work. Step one, we're going to take the lid off, just like that. And as you can see, handle mechanism. Most of your handles are going to look very similar to this. It's really simple, it only takes a few minutes, so let's get started. One thing to note is the threads on the nut on the back side of this handle are reverse thread. So the whole lefty loosey righty tighty thing does not apply here. It's actually lefty tighty righty loosey. Yeah, that sounds horrible, but that's the correct way to do it. So normally where you would thread this way to remove it, you're actually going to seemingly tighten it and it will unthread. So before we do that, we're going to want to remove the chain from the bar here, and there should be a little key like this on the chain. You should just be able to lift it up and pull this apart, and the key should come out just like taking off a necklace. There you go. You see we've got it disconnected now. You can just let that drop down into the water. Now we've got a flush handle that doesn't do anything. So you can try to hand loosen it. If you can't, you can always get the pair of pliers. And again, you're going to want to tighten it. And as you tighten it, you'll see that it's reverse threads. Now we can pull this. Remove that nut. And this should pop right out of the front, just like that. Rotate it a little bit, pull it right out. Installation is going to be the exact opposite of removal. You're going to start by taking the handle into the hole in the toilet. Watch that O-ring. Rotate it around. Make sure and put the O-ring back on. And you're going to want to give it a little push just to get seated. Then we're going to take our nut and we're going to go flat surface against the toilet tank. So we'll put that on first. And again, we're going to backwards thread. So we're going to loosen by normal standards. And you'll see it will tighten. Now we just want to make sure that our handle is operational, which it is. And we'll go ahead and connect the chain back. There we go. And now you just want to go ahead and flush the toilet and make sure everything works properly. Put your lid back on. And there you have it. Really simple to do, how to change your toilet handle on most toilets. Some toilets are a little different. They have the buttons on top, whatnot. But if you got a toilet with a handle, this will take care of it for you. Appreciate you guys watching. Be sure and subscribe, like the video, hit the notification bell so you get notifications when I put new videos, and we will see you in the next one.